having our annual Farm Fest and plant sale. So we have a bunch of heirloom and hybrid, all-natural veggie seedlings for sale. We also have some music from Tigerman Woe, and we have Raw Arts here doing some activities with kids. We also have a bunch of our youth out in the field doing some work on our farm here on Munroe Street. And Julia Green is here talking about options for composting in the city of Lynn. And we've got UMass Extension giving out healthy snacks. It's the Food Project's sale. So we start all the plants from seed in the greenhouse starting in February. And so we're selling them to kind of raise money for what we do and get nice vegetable seedlings out into the community of Lynn. A lot of what we try to do at the Food Project is connect people with growing their own food. And I think this is a great opportunity for folks to buy seedlings that haven't been treated with anything, that are all natural, and to get kind of like varieties of vegetables that their grandparents probably grew, right? So they're old varieties of broccoli and cucumbers and things that people remember from their childhood. But really the goal is to get people out to the farm on a beautiful day, connecting with each other, talking to our youth about what we do, and going home with some great vegetable plants.
The benefit of the community is that we bring youth and adults from diverse backgrounds to create a food system, and we do a lot of farm work, and we share our food to Hunger Relief organizations for people with low income, and also just like creating the work that divides like across the North Shore and stuff like that to like provide food for people.